Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we are going to play a fun game. It's Would You Rather.
And this will probably help you all get
Get
to
to-
know us a little more.
Yeah.
We might also get to know things about each other that we do not know.
No, yeah.
So, like, super excited about it. So, we're gonna start, and who starts first? Okay. I'm nervous. That's a long one. Would you rather have to speak in rhyme for the rest of your life or have to speak in riddles for the rest of your life?
Nice. So you have to make up rhymes. Like they won't just come, I think.
Okay.
Like you can only communicate using a rhyme. So you have to come up with a rhyme or a riddle. Like that, I guess. What would you choose?
I think a rhyme, because
Riddles are like... I think I would choose a riddle.
riddle is like, I think it's very like tough
Yeah,
to
but
make up riddles all the time.
I just speak in riddle.
It's been so many years since I heard the word riddle.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think I'll go for rhyme.
Rhyme she goes for. Okay. Now, would you rather be able to take back anything you say or hear conversations that are about you? Hear conversations that are about me because I don't want to take back anything I said.
Yeah, like I meant what I said. I said what I said.
Yeah, and conversations I'll hear, but like
Just for entertainment.
if
I don't really
that's
care.
what I would choose. Like okay, it'll be like something.
Yeah. We don't really care. The next question is,
They're like long ass questions.
would you rather buy 10 things you don't need every time you go shopping or always forget the one thing that you need when you go to stores?
Like whenever
I would always buy 10 things I don't need
Okay.
because I mean I'd rather get 10 things
10
than
things.
forget what I like,
Yeah.
because that is frustrating. I don't mind I'm a hoarder of some sort, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
Like what if you go to like a very expensive store?
Then
Like you go to buy a car.
no.
It applies in all. It's not grocery stores only.
I mean, if I can buy 10 cars, why not?
Yeah.
Like, I would buy
that's a
10
good
cars.
answer. Yeah.
If I could, I would.
Yeah. I think if you accept that, I would buy 10 things, and I think universe will make you capable to buy 10
To buy
things.
10 things, 10
Yeah.
homes or 10 cars,
Yeah.
anything.
Okay, so I don't know. Every time I pick, I get nervous. Like, what it's gonna be? Would you rather be forced to live the same day over and over again for a full year, or have a year taken out of your life? It's the same, right?
Yeah, because you're doing the same thing again and again. But I think.
But imagine
it's
the
selfish.
pain, like you.
But is it painful? Like, I think the last year we've done this, like,
Same.
every day we've done the same thing.
No, I think it's like the exact things that happened today, like each conversation, each step, everything. It repeating for a year, like same, back to back.
So you
And, like,
would rather have, like.
A year taken. Maybe like I'll just pretend I died 1 year. Like like I hope you got it without me having to say.
Yeah.
Maybe I was supposed to live for 90 years. I died at 89. I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Because I don't know how horrible it's gonna be. Like, imagine making the same video, saying the same exact things, and not having control over that for one whole year.
I don't know. I think it'll be like fun.
Imagine having Taco Bell for 1 year.
Yeah, but every day I'll even feel the same how I felt the first day. Cause
No,
everything
that's
is-
the sad part about it. You won't, but you will be forced to do the same thing every day.
I don't know. I think I just want to like.
Okay,
do
fine.
that.
You're very like no. You're giving all options like.
Yeah. I just want to be there for another year. Okay. Yeah. Would you rather have the best house in a bad neighborhood or the worst house in a great neighborhood? The best house in a bad neighborhood.
Correct. Like I would choose the same.
Yeah. Best house and with the best security, because I don't want the neighbors.
Or
to
did you
like-
choose the best house in the worst neighborhood.
Hmm.
Okay, I would choose the other one.
The worst in the
Because it matters like what kind of people you're
are
living.
around.
And if you're in a great neighborhood, there will be no robberies.
Yeah, but then if you have the best house, you can even have the best security.
Yeah, correct.
And just be safe and have a
Yeah.
beautiful home. Because, like, I think it's a Cancerian trait, but like, my everything is like my home. I just want to be at home all the time. I don't
Yeah.
mind going out. I don't mind, like, never going out again. So, yeah. So, I think for me,
Yeah.
like, a good home is very important. Of course, the neighborhood matters. But yeah.
Would you rather be extremely allergic to your favorite food? I don't want this question.
Okay.
Or forced to eat your least favorite food once a day? Okay, now I have to figure out what's my least favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. My least favorite food is...
Does this question even make sense? Would you rather be extremely allergic to your favorite food or forced to eat your least favorite food once a day?
Like, so favorite food you can never eat because you're allergic to
Yeah.
it.
And your least favorite food you eat once a day.
Both are sad parts.
Yeah.
Which one would
Yeah.
you choose? So if you
I don't know, it's not my question.
If you-
like, I just don't like
Yeah.
this question.
like if you choose least favorite food once a day, then that day only you can eat your favorite food.
Yeah.
है ना? But what is my least? I don't have any least favorite food. I
Yeah,
like
we
soya.
Gross.
Oh my god, I would die.
Fake meat.
I will choose because I hate my least favorite food so much.
That I'd rather be allergic to my favorite
food. And maybe I'll just make like a Indian fake pizza. Like I would just put flavors together that would taste like
Yeah,
my
that
favorite
would
food.
taste similar. Yeah.
Because I have like a horrible, like, traumatic situation when I was in hostel when I was super young. So I was like in LKG or something like that, and they would make soya ka this sabji every day, and they would force me to eat it.
So you've been through this.
I've been through it.
You've been through like the worst.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the next question. This seems smaller again. Would you rather be on a survival reality show or dating game show? Dating game show.
Okay.
I hate any like I
Survival.
even hate amusement parks. Like I just
Okay.
cannot like do any. I hate like everything. Like I just cannot. Dating game show.
Yeah, like you're not interested in anyone, but you'll
yeah,
be there
like
for.
yeah.
Okay.
I'll just be there to not kill myself. Like otherwise, yeah.
Yeah. So.
This seems like a long question.
Long question. Would you rather be forced to listen to the same 10 songs on repeat for the rest of your life, or forced to watch the same 5 movies on repeat for the rest of your life? Movies. I'm not a movie person,
Okay.
but what if there's a great movie that I really want to watch and I wouldn't be able to watch it?
But still, I think
Music
Music
is more
yeah.
important, yeah. So yeah, movies. Not interested in movies.
Bye.
Bye.
Oops. 2 questions. Would you rather never brush your hair again or your teeth again? Teeth.
What?
No. I mean hair. I would never.
like,
Yeah.
It was so like strong, like
No.
obviously teeth. I would want to.
Yeah,
That's why I think you said.
yeah. That's what I'm like teeth. Like obviously I'm gonna brush my teeth. Like I will just like shave it off. Like I don't care.
Yeah.
But I gotta brush my teeth. Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah. Would you rather be someone's pet goldfish or a wild lizard?
Damn. I know. Like obviously. Like,
Obviously, like a wild
lizard. Exactly.
Because I know how some people treat their fishes. Like,
Yeah, like I had like a big fish tank with a very big fish in it, and then I had a smaller fish tank filled with goldfishes, and every day we used to remove one goldfish and give it to the big fish as food. So yeah, and every week we used to buy like 8 new goldfishes.
Oh no, you're gonna have some haters now.
No, but I'm feeding another fish. Like
You know, I killed a lot of fishes when I was young
Wait
by
for what?
overfeeding them.
Oh no, so it's
And
like
they-
too much love.
They would die such a traumatic death because their stomachs would explode and they, like, you know, they would have cuts and, you know, I would just keep pouring in, keep pouring in, and they would keep eating and they would die and they would float. Oh, it was like very scary. We both have
On,
killed
yeah,
fish.
yeah, like on to the next. But see, I was killing to feed another, and that's how the animal
Yeah.
kingdom works, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you know, like big fish eat small fish.
Yeah.
Like that's how life is. So yeah, just a little wisdom. Okay, would you rather spend 2 weeks stuck in a psychiatric hospital or stuck in a crammed all-female prison? 2 weeks in a psychiatric hospital or a crammed all-female prison? I think all-female prison.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have some psychos do that.
Yeah, but like you know, when you are with like people over
Psychos.
there, you
And
lose
it's a very
yourself.
risky
You lose
situation.
yourself.
Yeah.
It's very scary. Like I've seen too many weird documentaries of people faking craziness.
Me too.
And they go and they actually don't
There
mind.
was this journalist who went to like a
To experiment and went
Yes,
crazy, yes.
yes,
So
yes.
it's just not happening. I'm sorry. Like I rather like have a orange is the new black situation
Yeah.
going on. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
your chance.
I love that show though.
Yeah.
It was like only series I think I watched. Would you rather listen to an annoying laugh for a whole day or get tickled for 2 hours? I don't think I have a problem getting tickled.
Really? You are-
Yeah.
I don't mind listening to someone pissing off like one whole day, but for me tickling even 1 second, like I just get really aggressive. Like I throw hands, you know. I just cannot.
Yeah, I
It's
think
like,
I would like tickle me, whatever.
it's cool.
I'll
just-
be like,
just don't laugh.
Is it over?
Are we done with this? Okay. We have a few more questions.
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather spend a week in the deadly forest? Okay, or 2 nights in a real haunted house? I think a haunted house.
I think yeah, it's a right answer for you because she
Yeah, because I'll just like connect with the spirits and be
yeah.
like, let's talk about it.
Let's solve your trauma.
Let's solve the trauma and fix it.
Let's set you free.
Let's set you free, honey. Go back. Like,
I'm a gal.
yeah, I'ma fix you up.
Yeah. Would you rather have universal respect or unlimited power?
Power and
Power.
respect, I think the same.
What's the use of respect? Like, don't give me respect. I don't need it.
Yeah, I just need power.
Like, I'm just
yeah.
sitting and everybody's like,
respecting you. Okay,
like
what
no
about it?
thanks. Like, I'll take the power
Yeah.
and then I'll make sure like everybody respects
Yeah,
me. Like,
because-
fake it but respect me.
Yeah, that was an easy one. Like,
Yeah.
okay. Would you rather be in your pajamas or a suit all the time? The person I am in my head, I want to be in a suit all the time.
Yeah.
Like the version of me in my head. But I think like the reality is me in pajamas.
Yeah.
But I would like rather be in a suit all the time, like
Okay.
doing, you know, important stuff
Stuff, yeah.
and feeling myself. Yeah. But yeah, pajamas are great. I love.
I just love comfortable clothes.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah. So I'm glad I didn't get that question. Would you rather be poor and work at a job you love or rich and work at a job you hate? Would you rather be poor? Let me imagine. Would you rather be poor
Let me imagine being poor
Poor.
for a day.
or like work? Love. But then I come back to a sad like poor
Situation,
house
yeah.
and I don't have food to eat. No, it's okay. I'll be rich and work at a place that I hate. Like I'll be having like diamonds on me and in a
Oh,
mansion
yeah.
complaining about my job. I'd
Yeah,
rather have that
yeah,
reality.
that's cool. That's fine. It's completely fine. Money is the anthem
Of success.
Okay. So, would you rather be chronically underdressed or overdressed?
Oh, you got a dress question again.
Overdressed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, but some people find it super embarrassing. Like, suppose you come for a sleepover to someone's place, and you look like Lady Gaga. So like,
I don't care. Like
Yeah, I don't
match
care.
up. Like
Yeah, some
match
people-
up with me.
yeah, rise
Yeah,
to my
it's on them.
energy.
Yeah, it's on them, not on me. Like
It's not my fault. Your standards are so low.
yeah.
Okay. Would you rather have a 10-hour dinner with an annoying politician from an opposing party, or attend a 10-hour concert for music group that you detest? I think having dinner with people who have extremely opposite idea than me, because I'll be just sitting there. I know I can't change their brain or whatever, but
So you
it'll be
just enjoy the
interesting.
dinner.
Yeah, like a new perspective. Like how does the brain work?
Yeah, how do they think?
Yeah. So that'd be interesting.
Yeah, like how can they think like
Like
that?
music that I don't like, I'm like,
You'll be like over
I'll
it.
become sick after that.
I'll be nauseous through the whole thing. Okay. Would you rather lose your memory or your sight? My memory.
Yeah, me too.
Like I want to see things.
Yeah.
And I can't keep living in the past.
Yeah.
Your sight is your future.
Correct.
So no.
But like imagine you have no memories.
ठीक है मैं like you know I'm a new person is fine, but it's like a rebirth.
Yeah.
That's more
True.
blessed, right?
Yeah. Makes you made it like really positive. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Second last question.
Would you rather end hunger or hatred?
Would you rather end hunger or hatred?
I think I would end hunger. Not
Yeah,
hatred.
like let people eat.
Yeah. Because you see these children and like, you know, I don't know, it's very like emotional, like in terms of hunger.
Yeah.
It's not just because I eat like a beast.
Yeah,
but-
like even if I hate anyone, I want them to be well fed.
Yeah.
And like even if you want to fight me, like be well fed and fight me.
And it's not necessary that the end of hatred will solve all issues.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly,
And
yeah.
maybe I feel hatred in the world towards bad things. Then you'll end hatred towards wrong things too, maybe. You know?
Yeah.
So yeah, the very, very like obvious and like a very strong answer, like hunger.
Yeah, hunger. Okay, the
Last
last
question.
question.
What it's gonna be?
Would you rather be gossiped about all the time or never be talked about? Gossiped about all the
Yeah.
time.
Like how boring it would be for
Yeah.
no one to even talk about.
Yeah. So yeah. That's the end of the
Yeah.
questions. The cup is empty, the secrets are out. As usual, we had
Had
a lot of fun doing this. Actually made me realize things about myself too.
Me too.
Like when you speak things into reality, you realize
Yeah.
these things.
If you guys have any more suggestions, we love playing these kind of games and challenges. So please comment. We tell you guys to comment, but you guys don't comment.
Please comment.
Please comment and tell us, like, even if it's as stupid, like, as anything, whatever it is, just talk to us because we're talking to you so much.
Yeah, like please talk back at this point. That's about it. And please like,
Share.
comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, keep watching. And thank you so much for all the support. And yeah,
We love you and we love doing this. So please support us so we can continue making these videos and continue having lots of fun.
yeah.